Hey there! Today, we'll be learning about the law of variable proportions. But first, let's talk about our friend Duma and his chocolate factory. Duma's chocolate factory produces 10 boxes of chocolate a day. Now, I'm talking about the best chocolate anyone has ever tasted. Naturally, this has caused an increase in the demand for it. I mean, of course it will. To meet up with the increased demand, he hires one factory worker and is able to produce and supply 12 boxes of chocolate per day. Now, he soon finds out that this wasn't enough. The market demand increased yet again. Now, he has to hire 2 more workers in order to efficiently supply the market. With the addition of these 2 new staff, Duma can comfortably produce and supply the market 20 boxes of chocolate per day. Duma's chocolates keep flying off the shelves, causing demand to rise yet again. He hires 3 more workers to make sure that he can meet up supply effectively. For 3 days, Duma is able to successfully produce and supply 35 boxes. After the 3rd day of his new hires, Duma noticed that he only produced and supplied 32 boxes of chocolates. On the 5th day, he produced and supplied 30 boxes of chocolates, which was even lower than the 4th day. As you can imagine, Duma is worried about this new development and wonders why the output is decreasing now that he has more staff. Duma did not put into account the other factors of production like factory size and raw materials when he was hiring new staff to increase his production and supply. Duma's situation is an illustration of the economic law called the law of variable proportions. The law of variable proportions states that when the quantity of one factor of production is increased, while keeping all other factors constant, it will result in a decrease in output. Duma only increased one factor of production, that is labor, while keeping other factors constant. In the beginning, Duma was experiencing increasing returns. That is, at every point where he hired a new staff, there was a corresponding increase in output. After a while, he began to experience constant returns of 35 boxes of chocolate per day. Next, Duma experienced diminishing returns where his output fell first to 32, then 30 boxes of chocolate. Now, according to the law of variable proportions, if Duma does not adjust his other factors of production accordingly, he will continue to experience a steady decrease in output. Now, with this information, Duma can successfully organize his factory to increase output. This brings us to the end of our lesson on the law of variable proportion. See you in the next lesson.